Hurry, hurry downstairs. Santa Claus came. Come here and see, bud. Hurry. Look, Lucas. Look at all the presents. Santa Claus came. What day is it, Lucas?
You know what today is? Today's Christmas, buddy. Merry Christmas.
I would open some.
Look at how pretty.
Should open some.
Huh?
We should open them. Should we open the presents?
Yeah. Let's open this present.
Well, we have to see who they're all for. Hang on. I think Santa Claus brought some for everyone. Look.
I can share that with you.
What? You can share them?
Yeah, Daddy, I can share that with you and you.
Oh, that's
Thank
so
you,
nice
bud.
of you, buddy. What a good boy you are.
Yeah,
You got
this
so
one-
much
This one's for
loot.
Mommy. Let's see.
this one is for you.
Look at, who do you think this one's for?
That one?
Yeah.
That was cool. Tea and cake?
Roger cake?
Yeah, this is Daddy.
Oh,
And that's mine.
it's yours.
No, buddy, that one's for you that you gave Daddy. They have names on them. Mommy and Daddy will read them.
But I want to open it.
I think that one's for Mommy, but you can open it.
That one is for
And just ignore the one that's not unwrapped. It's the dollhouse that you asked for. Alright.